How to redeem a Disney gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem a Disney gift card. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in shopdisney.com. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Shop Disney, where you'll have to simply log into your account, and if you don't have an account, simply create one. Now, once you've created an account and are logged in, simply choose some items which you want to buy. So for now, I'll simply buy this Lego set right over here. Now tap on the option add to bag. Now once the item is in your bag, let me simply remove the other item. After that, tap on the option view full bag. Now once you've done that, scroll down and then tap on the option checkout. Now only when you are checking out, you will be able to use or redeem the gift card. So once you're on the checkout page, you'll have to enter your shipping address such as your country, first name, last name, address 1, postal code, city, state, phone number, etc. After that, once you tap on the option continue to payment, you will be taken to the second step, which is the payment option. So it will provide you various payment options such as Disney gift card, Disney rewards redemption card, credit or debit card, click to pay, or PayPal. So since we are here to redeem or use a gift card, we'll tap on the first option. After that, you'll have to enter the card number over here and you'll have to enter the EAN. Now, if you don't know what an EAN is, simply tap on this eye icon and you can read the details of EAN. Now, once you've entered both of these and then tap on the option apply, you'll have successfully used and redeemed your Disney gift card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.